Hello friends, welcome to our chemistry class today. The one of today we are going to talk about practical. We want to see how titration practical can be carried out. I have my acid here, I have my base here, I have my burette here, I have my pipette here, I have my conical flask, I have my clip, I have my methyl orange. Everything is set for the practical. So to do it, you carry your burette, fix your clip, fix it well in the middle, and then add small acid to rinse it. I've already rinsed it and flush it. So what I'll do next is to fill it with acid. It is not yet full, but for me to have accurate titration, I have to fill in this place. This is called jet, burette jet. So you have to fill the acid to that point. Now acid stops here in the middle of where clip stops. So I have to open it full, open the tap full. You see some shooting out, like that means that air was there. Now that air is no longer there. So I have filled my jet now. It's part of the burette, so it must be filled before you titrate. Okay, if you don't fill your own, you will not have the same value with me if I filled my own. So I will now fill it to where I want to take it as my initial volume. I'm returning because it's too much. Okay, when you want to take your reading, you make sure you keep it straight to your eye and then take your reading. Okay, my initial now is at 0. So I will write that. Practical chemistry table, the titration, the one for titration is arranged this way. Burette reading in same cube. Final reading. When I finish titration, I will fill this place. Now I want to fill the initial because my initial is at 0.00. So when I finish the final, whatever volume I will have, I will fill it here. Then I will subtract and keep the answer, what I've used, the amount of acid that I used. So now I will go and then do the titration and then get back to fill this place. So I will fix my burette on the record stand. Well, okay, I'm done with that. So this is pipette, as I told you. I'm done with this also. This is my base, and I will suck it to the mark. Okay, is higher than the volume mark I'm looking for. There's a mark here. If you check, you see a mark there. That's where I should stop. Yes, that's 25 cm cube. Pipette. I'm delivering it into my conical flask. Okay, I'm done with the measurement. My indicator, methyl orange, I'll put 2 drops. Okay, the color is yellow. If you check, you have color to be yellow. By the time I have orange, I'll stop running in the acid and I'll take my final volume. So now let me on. I cannot titrate without white surface, white tile on this place, so that I can quickly capture the color change that will take place immediately. Okay. I'm on. My eyes are on the color change here so that I will see color change immediately. And not even after the burette, the volume of the acid that I am running in. When you have the orange and you shake and it disappears, it means that you are not done. Keep on adding small, drop by drop, and check. Once you add and you shake and it still sustains, that means you have reached the end point. You stop running in acid. Almost. Close there. Yes, I can get that color change. The color has changed from yellow to orange. So now I will check my value here. This is 22.9. 22.9. So I'll write it here 22.90. So the volume of acid used, assuming that I was using initial to be 1 or 2, I will subtract, but now 0, I will still subtract to have 22.90. If you fail to do this, your examiner will subtract for you and then will deduct marks from you. So for you not to be losing marks, do it in a right way. And then you do another set. If I do another set, I will still have the same thing. And I will subtract again to still have 22.90. Now do another one. If you are accurate, you still have the same thing. So we are done with our titration. I will show you how to calculate using the value. Okay, let me show you the volume of acid used. You check the values that are titer value will now be any two that are concordant. Different must not be more than 0.20. So this one, they are the same, so they are good to go. 22.90 plus 22 divide by 2, you have 22.90 cm. I believe you enjoyed that class, just a brief class, and I wish that you keep following this channel for more teaching. Subscribe, share, and like. Give your comment. If you have any question, drop your question on the comment section. I will answer you. Thank you. Till some other time.